Good day, everyone. Learn how to change the wallpaper in your laptop. It's a super easy thing. However, I'll tell you a new thing, a new way to upload and have a wonderful wallpaper on your laptop, whether it's a Windows 10 or Windows 11. So open your browser and type pexels.com. And once you open it, a new window will appear like this, and from here you can search like this and you can go with the trending one. So here, let's say I'll want flying birds, and I can search the filter. I want the horizontal for my laptop, and I can view a lot of wallpapers. So I'll just click on free download, and it is downloaded, and I just have to open it. Once you open that, you just need to do a right click and you need to click on set as, and then click on background, and I'll close it, and you can see I have successfully changed the wallpaper of my laptop. You can change it from here as well. Just do the right click and then go to personalize, and here we have this background image. I'll click on that. So from here you can change to your recent image. So this was earlier, and you can see I have successfully changed it. So from the pexels.com you can download the free wallpaper and you can set it on your laptop. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.